watching. Go. Yeah. This view's so great.
Yes. And mind you, the stairs you did was about 900.
You said it's the tallest? Beat that Niagara. Right there. Oh,
Wait.
hi. I have.
Fine. Go. It is 5:59. We made it up before 6, and we should be at the trailhead by 7:30. Well, I'm so fucking proud of us.
Dude, I know.
We crashed at the Airbnb. Just get there. We made it.
We made it.
This is awesome. We're wearing the same thing. And our first stop is Tunnel View. Alright, 7:30 a.m. It's actually a good time. It's not that busy. All these cars pulled up behind us. We found parking at the visitor center. Park is getting crowded, and we might have to keep this parking for the day and walk to the trailhead. It is 9 a.m. and we are at the visitor center getting lunch. We're getting ready to hike Upper Yosemite after breakfast. Do you have to microwave that? We have lunch for later. We got lunch and White Claw. We got White Claw and lunch.
Yeah, that was funny.
So she thought I was asking on our date. Are you gonna be busy tomorrow? No, not you, the park.
She's like, I'm off at 6.
You wanna come to my lodge? So this is our parking spot. This is where we're gonna cook breakfast before we hike. Anyway, we're gonna leave our car here and walk to the trailhead where we're gonna have breakfast. And we bought lunch for the trail later.
This is our kitchen, our changing room, our bathroom.
Our living room, dining room, bathroom, family room. Find us at the visitor center parking lot. Oh god, what a vibe. You're gonna think this trash is us. Just to let everyone know, this is not a Ranger Laurel. This is not our trash, Ranger Laurel. Alright, that's the stuff. It's not that much meat.
But there's also meat inside the rice.
There is also meat inside the rice. Oh, and we've got the juices to reheat the rice.
Yeah.
No, turn the gas on first.
Ah! Almost fucked up the breakfast.
Sliding way off. We're hiking Upper Yosemite Falls today. Honestly, I think we should check how far it is. We got the shuttle if anything.
Yeah, we get shuttle. If it's like a 30-minute walk or a 30-minute wait.
Dude, everywhere we've picnicked so far, this has been fucking beautiful.
Yeah.
Are you ready for 3,600 feet elevation?
I mean, like, I'm not prepared. No. Yeah, no. I'm at the road.
I think you're prepared too.
Huh?
I think you're prepared.
No.
Oh.
Even walking to the restaurant.
You start hurting already? Oh.
My calves hurt just from driving.
To be fair, you did a lot of driving.
We got Princess S parking.
I know. You didn't even see it either.
I know.
I think parking is gonna be full for the rest of the day.
Yeah.
No, we're waking up early enough tomorrow to beat the Saturday crowd. Dude, it's a work day. It's Friday. Can you imagine how busy it'd be tomorrow?
Yeah.
How's breakfast?
That was fantastic. It was Korean.
It was Korean.
Yeah.
So, 10:20. Finally going to the trailhead.
We're making it happen.
We're making it happen.
Yeah.
We're actually in 30 minutes, over a mile away from the trailhead. We're adding 2 miles to the hike, but you know what? It's all good.
We're just fall for the trailhead at Camp 4.
Trailhead's at Camp 4, yeah.
Shuttle or no shuttle?
Mm-hmm.
The shuttle was on that side. Should we just try it now?
No, this is a lot. If anything, we could hitch a ride.
Oh, yeah.
If I could get everybody to move to the back, up those steps and towards the back, please.
We were gonna hike to the trailhead, but
And please remember, do
Found a
not
free
step
shuttle.
out of my back door.
we found
Sorry, I'll...
Keep going back, folks. Keep going back.
All right, pre-hike stretch. We made it to Camp 4. Trailhead to Upper Yosemite Falls is right there. So we are in Camp 4, where the trailhead begins for Upper Yosemite Falls. How do you feel about today's hike?
I feel good. I feel like I don't know what to expect, and so I'm not letting it get to me. It's a big wall.
It's a big wall.
It's a big wall.
So, tallest waterfall in Northern America, 6.5 miles out and back. So about 6 hours.
Temperature feels about 77 degrees.
It says right now it's 68. It's gonna get high of 73.
Oh wow, my radar is off.
Your radar is off.
My thermometer.
3,600 feet elevation.
First discovered by the pioneers, the local Yosemites in the 1500s.
Starting now. And we begin Upper Yosemite Falls. 3.5 miles up, 3.5 miles down. Ready to conquer the big wall. What does that say? Active bear alert area. Just kidding.
I'm in shape.
You're in shape?
I'm gonna will into the universe.
I'm in shape. This is easy.
I'm athletic. It's just another Friday.
An hour in, we're reaching some elevation. We're starting to see the valley. We're on flatter ground now. The valley in all its glory. I don't know. This is the first checkpoint, and we're almost at 2 hours.
We're what would have been, I guess, a third of the way
Yeah.
from our entire hike. We're probably halfway
We're good though.
Yeah, we're good.
And this is the view. I'm glad it's flat over here. This is our first glimpse of Lower and Upper Yosemite Falls. This is gorgeous. As we get closer, it just gets prettier and prettier. So we are 2 hours in, almost 3 miles, and 1,200 feet elevation. And this is our view. Well, behind a tree. And we're going all the way up to the top of the waterfall. Hopefully another half mile maybe. We're all inclined. What I like about these switchbacks is that it's shaded, and there's a mist from the waterfall. So we are officially in the switchback up to Upper Yosemite Falls. It's far, but it's close. Probably another half mile until we get to the summit. There's a good view of Half Dome here. We should be up there soon. I'm soaked. Yeah, this is such a great view of Half Dome. This might be the best view I've ever had of Yosemite. We've gone up like 2,000 feet elevation. It looks the same. We are at the summit of Upper Yosemite Falls. It took us about 4.5 hours to get here.
4.5.
2,800 feet elevation and about 4.8 miles. The all trails will tell you less. Don't ask us how we got this distance and elevation. Honestly, I think this is the most rewarding view or rewarding hike in Yosemite. I think this hike is most rewarding because pretty much all points of the hike there's a view of the valley, the waterfall.
What's funny is that like when we say view, I feel like we're underselling it. It's like a great view. Okay, get away.
The view is underselling.
It's like it's great. I feel like great's even saying great.
It's underselling it.
Yeah.
Okay, so we just had our lunch at the top of Yosemite Falls. Well, not really. We're actually above Yosemite Falls. So now we're going down to Upper Yosemite Falls, where the railings are. We have stairs going down. If this doesn't make you happy, wow. We're at the top of the outlook of Upper Yosemite Falls, but if you go down to the waterfall, there's another outlook, a very narrow path. that leads you here. Direct view of the top of the waterfall and a panorama of the valley. Thank you, Upper Yosemite Falls, for all of your glory and views. We're making it to the bottom. Chef's kiss. Alright, we're getting there, guys. We're almost there. So I'm going to pass through this section quickly because it's really cold. The rocks are really wet. We're at the final mile. Seems like this last mile has been going on forever, but we're finally making our way down. And then from there, another mile to the car. So finished the hike just at sunset. Couldn't feel better about this one. I think it's the best hike I've hiked so far here in Yosemite. This was the most absolute rewarding hike. I would absolutely do it again. We made it back to the valley at sunset, after sunset, but it's okay. Just glad to be back down. Can't believe we were up there just a moment ago. We made it back to the parking lot. We're the last car here. You know what's funny? We were the first car here actually, as we found parking before the park got crowded. And then now we are one of the last. Huh? I don't know.